Hello everyone. So what do we have? We have an open view to repair. This open view is coming from a local customer, and what the customer is saying, the open view is stuck on red light. Yeah, you know the red light for standby is just stuck. So let's jump into it. Here we have the power supply, 12 volts, 1.5 amps, which is good. Let's see. Plug in the power supply. I can't see even the red light or my probes. Something's wrong with my probes. Yeah, it is red light. Pressing the power on. It's not even responding. It's not doing anything. That's the problem with this decoder. So on this kind of open view satellite receiver, we can try to fix, but the chances of winning are 50-50. Can be inside. Yeah, it's very dirty inside, as you can see. Too much dusty. Let's see. I think we can fix this one. I see some slight water damage. Let's go under microscope and have a look. Okay. That's the inside of the decoder. Here we have that big chip. Maybe you can see the water damage. You can see the water damage. Let me bring this closer. So you see the liquid damage. I think what you can do here is to clean this thing. That's all what you can do. We can clean this. We have few pins of the processor which are interrupted here, which I believe are the cause for this problem. But we'll see. We'll see about it. Let's do the cleaning. Let's do the cleaning. The water damage is not that bad. It's not that bad. Here we need a blade here. We have one pin which is not even connected. So this processor is very sensitive to water damage. Few pins can kill this decoder. So what we can do here, what we can do, let's try to fix this area. Let's try to fix this area. Now looks better. All the pins, they are now okay. We have this pin which was not connected now, so that checking other parts. We have the apron. So let's see. Let's see if this is working or not. Plug in. And it's now green. Huh? You see? Let's connect the HDMI. Let's connect the HDMI. So now it's time for testing. When you press on the power, we now have green light. Let's press the switch. It's now going straight to green. And even the current is now taking 214 milliamps. Okay. I think we can test. Let's connect the HDMI and check if we can see anything on the screen. HDMI. Let's connect the power. Let's pay attention to the screen. Still on green. Maybe we can see something. HDMI 2. The processor is getting warm. HDMI 2, I think it's trying to load up. Now must see something. You must see something. You see? Open view. SAB sport status no signal because it's not connected to the satellite dish. So this is how you can fix a dead satellite receiver. Let me disconnect here. This is how you can fix a dead satellite receiver. Oh, so this was just a water damage straight on few pins of the processor. So if you have this kind of open view, you know what to check. I think I made so many videos about this satellite receiver, how you can fix them. So you should pay attention to the steps which can lead you to positive results. I think we are done. Oro. Like this. Only 2 screws. So that was the repair. Like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. And is also, if you don't understand anything from any of my videos, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll answer you in the next repair. See you on the next one. Bye.